In this session, I'm talking about foreign key in SQL Server. We will see what is a foreign key, how to create the foreign key. What is a foreign key? Foreign key means that is a constraint or a key used to link between two tables together. That is the use of foreign key. A foreign key is a field in one table that refers to the primary key in another table. That is making the relationship between two tables. That is the use of foreign key in SQL. The table with the foreign key is called the child table, and the table with the primary key is called referenced table. Next, this is the syntax. This is the syntax for creating the table. Creating the table with the foreign key. Create table items. Item ID int not null primary key. Item name int not null. ID int foreign key references TBL persons of ID, that column ID. Next syntax is for altering the foreign key. That means if we already created the items table, if we want to add the foreign key on that table, we can use this syntax, alter command. Server. We will discuss what is default constraint and we will see the syntax of the default constraint. What is default constraint? Default constraint means that is used to set a default value for a column. See, I will tell one example. I am creating a column employee. So while entering the new records, I have to enter the salary of each employee. If one employee is not entering the salary, so that place I have to enter default values. While inserting the new records, default values will enter. Defaultly values we can set for any columns. That is the use of default constraint. Another example I will tell you, location. If I am creating a table that has ID, name and a location, that location defaultly I have to set with default I have to set location as Noida or location as Bangalore. So default I have to set this kind of any values. We can use default constraint in SQL Server. This is the syntax for default constraint in create.